Hey everyone, Grant here, and today I had the chance to try out the VHM carbon air cover intake. This is a product that we import. VHM known for their heads and pistons, especially on the two-strokes, but this was something new they came up with. So on my YZ 250F, it's a 2020, and we wanted to give it a test. They claim it gains 2 to 3 horsepower on the dyno, so we wanted to bring it out to the track and try it for ourselves. So I had a chance to go out and ride with the stock air take in and get a feel for the track and the bike, and it was obviously how I expected it. Very easy to put this on. Simply take the clip off, install it, takes a couple seconds, and when I went out instantly I noticed, I think with the added air it's able to suck in, especially on a modified bike, it brings it into the power quicker so that it has more bottom end and more torque. I love bottom end and torque, so for me, I really enjoyed it. One of the things that I noticed is it rings your ears a little bit because of the amount of air it sucks in, but very easy to install. They are available at Langston Motorsports. We are the importer. I highly suggest getting one of these. It's probably the easiest thing you can do. You don't have to change anything else. It's just an added performance. So try it out. Come check them out for yourself at Langston Motorsports.